Welcome to Chase Outdoors. We're out here in the desert for the next few days. We're gonna try and get some gold nuggets with metal detectors, surviving the cold nights, windy days, making some good food, and just enjoying the outdoors. Let's go have some fun. Look at this crazy guy. Goodness. Okay, let's see it. You better buy it. It's gonna go. Wow, it's all around there. What the heck? Good morning. We did not get here until 4 a.m. It was pretty rough. Slept for a few hours. It's nice and warm in here. It was a little chilly when we went to bed. Gonna put the boots on. I think it's time for some coffee and a cinnamon roll. And we're gonna go try and see if we can find a nugget or two or a few. I think I'm gonna roll with the glasses today. I don't feel like putting my contacts in. Let's do it. Not too bad. We got 95 watts going in there. The old Gazelle tent. Would highly recommend this tent. It's a game changer. Plenty of room, sets up in 2 seconds. Love it. Few small little pieces. Just decided to try panning a little bit. These little red piles here. These are dry wash piles.
You know what? I bet I forgot my knee pads.
Yeah? Bird.
Well, I'll stop that one, Whoa, get out of there. Whoa.
Going swimming.
That feel good on your feet.
Pretty cool. Sure is.
The boss, huh?
Pretty slick little setup. 2300. It's a pretty good machine. Found a few nuggets with it. Got another one. Maybe. There we go. Oh. Another bullet. Another. Maybe. Another piece of metal. Another one. Tiny piece of metal. Right there. Let's try this one. Got it. trash. Another little nail. Yeah, what are we making here?
We're gonna have some potatoes with a good steak.
That sounds awesome.
Put some onions in there.
Sounds pretty good. A little campfire drink. It's nothing like going out, walking, hiking around, come back to a fire and a nice cold drink.
Steaks are so tender.
What are they looking
Look
for?
at that. They're so tender. Yeah.
It looks awesome. Morning. It's raining. Unexpected rain. We even looked at the weather last night. Didn't say anything. This was supposed to hit Sunday. Yeah, can't really do much metal detecting or digging in the ground when it's wet. Now we're just trying to figure out what we want to do. Want to pack up, head out of here. Always an adventure. How you take a number 2 in the desert in style. It's actually pretty nice. You get the suspension from the four-wheeler, so it's kind of plush. I highly recommend little hitch toilet seat on your four-wheeler. Then that's our view. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. update. We got winded out of there, got blown out of there. Worked our way home, decided to get a hotel room and just chill out, play some slots, get some good food. So yeah, kind of a bummer we had to cut our gold hunting short, but what do? You know, it's been fun. Nice to have a couple nights, but should be able to make it fun here and hopefully win some money.